So how to unlink your bank account from PayPal. So to remove your bank account from PayPal, it's very easy to do. So first things first is you want to open up the PayPal app and you just want to go ahead and click on accounts right at the bottom here. Then once you've done that, it then brings you through to this page here. So you just want to go ahead, scroll down just a little bit, and you should see right here a list of all the bank accounts and debit cards currently on your PayPal account. So for example here, you can currently see we have two bank accounts linked to the account. So we've got Barclays and Lloyds. So to go ahead and remove one, let's say we want to remove Lloyds. You just want to go ahead and click on it. Then once you've clicked on the account you want to remove, it should bring you to this page here. And nice and simple, you just want to select remove right here. And then are you sure? Again, you just want to select remove once more. And there you have it. And you've successfully unlinked your bank account to your PayPal. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.